Assalamu alaikum my YouTube students. Today we are going to derive the formula of a plus b whole cube, and we will prove that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So let's start. Let's take the left hand side, a plus b whole cube, that is equal to this. We have to prove. For proving this, I am taking left hand side, and a plus b whole cube can be written as a plus b into a plus b whole square. Same like we are writing 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 square, and this will be 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 8, and here 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Or we know that when the bases are same, the powers are going to add. 3 into 1, that will be 4. Fine. So now a plus b, and I am writing down the formula of a plus b whole square. That is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Fine. I am writing down formula instead of a plus b whole square. It's a square, it's equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Actually I am writing this open form of a plus b whole square. By the distributive law, when two expressions are going to be multiplied, the first term will be multiplied with the whole expression, and afterwards this second term b will be multiplied by the whole expression. I am writing a into a square plus b square plus 2ab plus now b into a square plus b square plus 2ab. If a is multiplied with it, then it will be a cube plus a into b square 2 a square into b plus a square b plus b cube plus 2a b square. Here I am separating this a cube. I am writing it for in the first place a cube and b cube. Afterwards you can see that 2a square b, and here a square into b is there, so these both will add as a 3a square b plus 2a b square into 1a b square will be combined together 2a b square. Or we can take 3ab as common, and the remaining will be a plus b. And see, we have proved the formula. That is so simple. This one is our requirement. Okay. Chalo ji, let's do its related examples. And one thing more, if I am having a plus b whole cube, so it is your assignment to solve or to prove formula for a minus b whole cube. by follow these steps. Same steps will be followed and you can prove a minus b whole cube. Fine. Okay, let's do its related examples. If we are having x plus 1 upon x is equal to 8 and we need to find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube, we need to find. As we know that x plus 1 upon x is equal to 8, that is given. And by taking cube on both sides, it will be 8 cube. So if I am going to evaluate it, this is x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 into x into 1 upon x. Let us consider x at the place of a and 1 upon x as the place of b. So when we are having a plus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Same in the case of this, a cube x cube, b cube 1 upon x cube plus 3 formula 3, and then a into b, a is x and b is 1 upon x. Fine. And this a plus b, ax and b 1 upon x is equal to 8 cube, that is equal to 512. Fine. This numerator and denominator both are same, so they are cancelled out. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 as it is. X plus 1 upon x is equal to, that is equal to 8. So I am substituting the value over there, that is equal to 8 is equal to 512. X cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 into 8, that is equal to 8, is equal to 512. Fine. Now x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to 512 minus 24, and that is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to 488, and that is the requirement. So simple.